So how do I say goodbye to someone who's been with me for my whole damn life? You gave me my name and the color of your eyes to see your face when I look at mine. So how do I say goodbye when I couldn't? You always saw the best in me. Right or wrong, you were always on my side. But I'm scared